Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper candy bag. Start off with a square paper and fold one of its edges in a little bit. Now take this edge and fold it in to the center line that you've just created. Now take this edge and fold it in to this crease, this one. Now you want to take your glue and apply some glue on here. Then you want to take this flap out and glue it on to that little flap. Now what you're going to do is you're going to open this flap and you're going to start creasing these lines like this. Then you should have something like a tube. Once you've done that, you're going to flatten this paper and you're going to take this edge and fold it in a little bit. You're going to take this edge and fold it in a little bit. And then you're going to flip your paper over and you're going to fold it across that same line just on the other side. Make sure these creases are really strong because these are really important creases. Then what you're going to do is you're going to open this like a tube, but then you're going to have like these weird crinkly things. So now we want to poke this center line in. So what we're going to do is we're going to crease it well like this. We're going to take this edge and crease it well. And the center line, we're going to hold these two and we're going to poke it in. This will give the 3D look to the bag. So now we're going to do this edge. We're going to crease this line, flip it over to this side, crease, and take these two edges and poke them in. And you should have something like this at the end. Now you're going to take your scissors and cut diagonal cuts along this line and this line. So one diagonal cut like this, one diagonal cut like this, and then you have like something like this. Do it with all of these two sides. Once you've made your cuts, you're going to decorate it. Take a marker and make a circle in the center. Now, take a pen or marker, draw some eyes. Draw a mouth. And take a red or pink marker and draw some little blush. And then take markers and write candy on them. C A N D and Y. Once you have decorated your candy bag, take some glue and seal one of its edges. So how you're going to seal it is you're going to poke it open. Make sure where you have the cuts, you apply it under it so it seals actually. Then seal it like this. Now, take your candy and through the open part, put it in. So I'm putting some candy in. And once you put your candy in, take your glue and seal this edge. And then you have your candy bag ready. Candy, candy. I hope you like this video, so please subscribe to our channel. Bye.